Welcome to Southern country living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern country living, where love and life collide.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day. Here in Georgia, the weather is beautiful and it's not too hot and it's not cold, that's for sure too. But today I'm going to be making vegetable lentil soup, and lentils is a good source of protein. And so if you're trying to cut down on meat, it's a good way to get your protein in. And this is going to be a really good recipe. And you can also make this with vegetarian broth, but I didn't have any of that today, and so I'm using chicken broth. And also, if you don't like zucchini, you don't have to put the zucchini in, but why not if you got it? So that's what I'm going to do.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my vegetables sauteed. So I'm going to put in my carrots. And get this oil incorporated a little bit in my pan. Okay. And I'm making half a recipe, so I put in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So now then I'm going to put in my onions, and I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to put in my garlic. And when these get through sauteing, I'll be back. Okay, I did all of my prep work before I got started, and this recipe will be in the description below. And I did cut it in half. I didn't make a full recipe. So y'all that have big families, you can make the whole recipe and feed your family. And then those that have small families, they can make this recipe and it won't be too much. Okay. All right, I think they've sauteed about enough now, so I'm going to add in my garlic. And those of you that like to use fresh garlic, you can use that. And I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes more. All of that, it's smelling good. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my tomatoes. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my lentils. And these, I did wash these and look them to make sure there wasn't any rocks or anything in them. And I didn't use the whole bag, I just used a half a bag of them. The precise amount that I used on my lentils was 2/3 cups. Okay, so now then I'm going to be adding in my chicken broth, and y'all that wants it to be vegetarian, you can use vegetarian broth. And this right here is 4 cups. So now then I'm going to give this a good stir. As someone that we know would say, steer. I like to give the cameraman a hard time sometimes.
It's okay, I still love you. We work good. We work good together, don't we?
Yeah. All right, so now then I'm going to add all my seasonings in, and they will be in the description below. So I'm just going to dump them all in. And give this a good mix. Okay. All right, I have all of my ingredients in, and so I'm going to bring it up to a boil and reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, my vegetable lentil soup has been cooking for 35 minutes. Let me turn off my timer. I'm going to give it a good stir. So now then I'm going to add in my zucchini. And then I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. And I may have to add some water to it, but I don't think I will. But if you do, you can add about a cup, and I'll put some lemon juice in it. If you want lemon juice in it, you can omit that if you don't. The recipe calls for it though. Okay, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, my vegetable lentil soup has been cooking for 45 minutes. So now then I'm going to add in my spinach. And let this cook for about 2 more minutes. And I'm going to add in my lemon juice, and then I'll be back to make us a plate. So let me get this stirred. Also, if you want to, you can add kale, but I'm using spinach because that's what I had. Okay, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, my lentil soup is done now. And my spinach has wilted down. Give it a good stir. Okay, so now then I'm going to serve us up a plate. I'm about ready for it myself.
Me too, Marie.
Okay. This is a very good, healthy soup. It's got good protein in it and good vegetables. We'll be back to do the taste test in just a minute when our soup cools off. Okay, we're back, and I added some Parmesan cheese to it. So now then we're going to do the taste test.
Sure does smell good, Marie. I like that Parmesan cheese on there. It's good and stringy.
It's very good.
Yes, it is. Just the right amount of salt, pepper. Those Italian flavors are real good.
So this right here is a really good healthy meal that you can make for your family, and it doesn't take too long at all to cook it. And if you wanted to put it in a crock pot before you left to do an errand, or if you work or whatever, you could put this in the crock pot and it would be ready when you get home. And it is delicious, isn't it?
Yes, it's good with that bread too. I'm using the gluten-free bread, and Marie made some garlic toast with it, and it's good.
Yeah. So this is a really good weeknight or anytime night economical meal. So me and Kevin's going to close our video now and enjoy it. And so we hope y'all have a great evening. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.